Hey there, Timotheus here, and today I've got something exciting to share with you. If you've been searching for ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, you might have stumbled upon the Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. Well, I've taken the time to dig into it, and in this video, I'm going to give you my honest review of whether it's worth your time and money. So what exactly is the Super Affiliate System? It's an intensive 6-week affiliate marketing training program created by John Crestani. He's a successful affiliate marketer making thousands per day. The course leans on a combination of paid ads and sales funnels to teach you the ropes of affiliate marketing. The course is packed with over 50 hours of video content, daily assignments, and weekly quizzes. It covers everything from selecting the right niche to setting up and optimizing campaigns, all the way to scaling and automating your affiliate business. Now let's break down the 6-week course structure. You can see on the next screen what the structure looks like. Besides the core training, you'll get access to a treasure trove of resources, templates for ads and landing pages, $895 worth of coupons for paid traffic networks, and a strong support system through forums, a Facebook group, and email assistance. But let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's a comprehensive and updated training program providing you with templates, coupons, and a supportive community. John Crestani's experience adds a valuable touch. However, it's not all sunshine. The course is pricey, requires additional investment in paid traffic, and success isn't guaranteed. Now let's talk about numbers. The Super Affiliate System comes with a hefty price tag of $997 for the front-end offer and an additional $247 per month for ongoing membership. There are payment plans available and you can cancel anytime with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So is it worth it? In my opinion, yes, it's a solid course, but it's not for everyone. If you are serious about affiliate marketing, have a budget for paid traffic, and are willing to put in the effort, it could be a game changer. I'll give it a 4 out of 5 stars. If you'd like to join the Super Affiliate System or at least take a look at it, check out the links in the description below. I hope this review helps you make an informed decision. Alternatively, I have a much more affordable, you can put it that way, option for you. Go to the description below to check out the link to Wealthy Affiliate. If you have any questions or comments, drop them and wrote them below. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to be updated whenever I publish a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.